Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we have a ViboFrost frozen drink maker, aka the slushie maker. Y'all, I have been wanting one of these ever since these came onto the scene, and a few of my friends have this, and it is absolutely amazing. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the one that I have. This is an Amazon pickup. Of course, the links will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and get it set up and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and make a frozen drink today, a slushie, if you will. We're going to test it out. I cannot wait to see this baby in motion. Girl, let's go ahead and get into it. Anything like me, you love a good kitchen gadget. And this one is right on time for the summer months, especially if you enjoy hosting barbecues, your girls' functions, whatever, girl. This will be a hit at your gathering. Okay, so upon opening it, you do get your quick start guide, your user's manual, along with a recipe booklet. Now, the machine itself, it is so sleek, it is so nice. You can leave this out on the counter and it looks great. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Yeah, I'm just ready to get into it and get it started. But it definitely looks nice. I love the black and slate gray. Definitely a nice looking machine. Okay, so in addition to the quick start guide, you do get this nice cleaning sponge with a handle. I thought that was so nice and so convenient. And this recipe guide, OMGG girl, it is so thick. It comes with so many recipes. Definitely something that I will be utilizing along with this cleaning sponge. So cleaning and setting up was a breeze. I'm going to try to leave my warning labels and instructional stickers on as long as I can, because you know how it is when you're hosting and you got helpful friends over and they're coming over and they're curious about your gadgets and they want to use it. So I'm going to leave my do's and don't stickers on so honey, they can read these prompts. Okay, they need to know you can't be putting solid foods in here, ice, frozen fruits, ice cream, none of that. It doesn't require all that. So I'm gonna need everybody to read the do's and don't, okay? Because you always want to have this in the locked position, you know, when you're getting ready to use it. And I feel like those are things we need to know. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and start off with something yummy and easy. I'm thinking frozen lemonade. I do have syrups that we can add to make strawberry frozen lemonade, peach frozen lemonade. We can make a boozy lemonade, girl. We can do all of that with our new ViboFrost Slushie maker. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get it started in here. Girl, it just looks so nice. Okay, so we're going to start with our lemonade. This is our lemonade that we're using today. You use whatever brand that you love and fancy. But yeah, this is what we're going with today. And our Rose's peach syrup. All right, we got it powered on. The digital display looks really nice. And here you see we have all of our functions here. We have slushy, you got frappe, milkshake, you can cocktail. If you're pouring in wine, we can make a frozen wine. There's a cleaning setting. And you can create your own presets here. This is so nice. Right here on top is where we pour in our beverage of choice. And because it's just me, we're going to make one or enough just for one person. And the min on this is 16 ounces, and then you have the max. This machine will create 88 ounces worth of frozen drink or slushy, if you will. That's more than enough for hosting a crowd. So yeah. So we got it to the 16 ounce, which is the minimal line. And that is enough for one. And like I said, this is our first time trying it out. And we just want to test the machine, right? We just want to see how well it works. Now we're ready to hit slushy. All right. OMGG. Girl, we got 7-Eleven at home. We got Slurpees at home. So this should take about 16 minutes. And we'll be back to check on it. Well, there's ice in there. It's starting to ice. This is amazing. And like I said, listen to it. It's not loud at all. It is perfect. So our ViboFrost machine is actively going right now. The sound is minimally low. Like you can barely hear it. That's a plus. I'm glad it's not a super loud machine, but I'm so excited, girl. We got a whole slushy machine at home. This is so nice. So make sure you check out that description box. Don't skip over it. The direct Amazon link will be right there for your shopping pleasures, because you definitely want one of these. I feel like you're going to love it. This is going to be your dream, having your own slushy machine at home. I'm excited. So big shout out to ViboFrost for this awesome maker. Girl, it's starting to ice. It's only been like 8 minutes. This is fast. So I do think it depends upon how cold the item is when you're starting. So that kind of accelerates the process. Like if you're just putting a soda in that's maybe been sitting in the pantry, it might take you a little longer. But we're definitely going to try a frozen Coke later, this machine. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because there are more drinks to come. We definitely got to utilize that recipe book that they sent over to. This is going to be fun. And I'm keeping it all the way real with you. I cannot lie. This has only been in here just about 10 minutes, maybe 9 to 10 minutes. And we are already slushing. OMGG. The peach color looks so beautiful. I cannot wait. Girl, I already got my glass in hand ready. Okay, so it's almost safe to say that we now have a slushie. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it up, and we're gonna give it a taste. And again, this was us only pouring 16 ounces of lemonade inside. Of course, we're not counting the amount of flavor that we put in, the peach syrup that we put in. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it poured up. All right, guys, here we are. We have it. It looks so good. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. This is delicious. This is delicious. Pleasantly pleased with my ViboFrost slushie machine. This worked way better than I anticipated. I'm so happy to have it. So don't skip over the description box, because the direct link is there. Okay, so make sure you click it. All right, definitely something to add to your kitchen gadgets, girl, because you're gonna love it, especially if you love hosting. This will be a hit among your friends. So definitely check it out. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it does so much. You can create so many amazing cocktails. And don't forget that drink recipe menu that it comes with. So check it out. Definitely affordable, super affordable, way less than the competitor's brand. You definitely want to check this one out, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye. Cheers.